Abusua.
Yes sir.
Yengura ha.
Nice one.
Asante Kotoko. Players we. Omo kodada no. Kamara Muhammad. Bye bye. Ojugu. Yes. Joseph Ablo Kotoko terminating a contract. Samba Ndongani or a player at the Masekukuni United or South Africa.
Yes.
Now no musi nsuona to nkran fa Samba ne Japa dia ne passport in Nyoma. Na yesi Samba so otwen age ni ticket ni ade Africa Kotoko. Na Samba Kotoko enyen Accra Asante Kotoko. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Uzu ni baby team yo na tenkran na ha mansu fa oyi. But finally wa Koko.
Okay.
Eti Kamara number 1, pesi e kan Abloy number 2.
Yes.
Samba number 3.
Yes.
Pitamidu akwa number 4. But mami nyina Pitamidu akwa na menka cho se oboase Asante Gold for the money abrepa. Mami nchia team president. Na menchia ni general manager. General manager me na nam so mam hint ba akokura se skandi. Matise Pitamidu akwa no. As good for any abre so person for Pitamidu akwa.
Wow.
Omo mfa ni free Kotoko abrante no oye free agent. To omo fa no omo mfa Kotoko ejapade e player oye free. Na as good for no pushi pa. Omo offer no panyemu hwam. Peter joining Kotoko no maka cho dada say he joined as a youth team player then sika no form.
Yeah.
Dia bia ba kwa yenim ye okroma no say sign player just the contract who answer ya to pay mu. As God for you ready to be tres kakase Peter Amidu akwa enso eni obiem Baba Yaya a player number 5 ya oni Kotoko biem Henry Kwame ansu a player oni Kotoko biem after paying 6 I don't know.
Wow.
Players ni betima kwa kodru 15 na tie numbers no eti adru number 6 eti ball number na me the player ni aso 7 a Miami boy Elvis Cheba for Awuche 8 a Emmanuel Entry Oboyima Emmanuel Entry, player number 8. 9 ya Miami Kwame Poku Baye. Kwame Poku Baye. I got 1 year contract. I was Asante Kotoko. Kwame Poku. 10 ya Morfing Donzo. Let's remember near Bosono. And Penifon remarks na sonza kwanisi kandozo.
Wow.
Na nyang wajuman waye. Morfing na buzapenyi in terms of dollars wajio. In fact, easy can watch no Kotoko captain no Samba. More jibe times 4 of the na Samba no.
Wow.
Yeah.
11
ya Isaac Minta.
12
aya Francis Aqua.
13
aya Johnson upon Ousu of a Johnson. 14 aya Branted thing ade Saka Dauda.
15
akano 1 year 15 onzo ko eza kam ne ko so abetamoa.
Wow.
The contract with 15 players we the massive shake up ebet masi wa Asante Kotoko Bobo Konum massive shake up, and these are the names Pepe Suarez painstaking investigation and reveal at Yamame.
Wow.
Some catch on morphine, Asteris beat the home, but a faint. Saka Dauda, Asteris, but a faint. But I want to be a football at the market company for the Saka Dauda open now. A dear chia, or best sign a contract. At the a club in East Africa, may Pepe Makachero.
Nice one.
Call Saka Dauda. Negotiate with him. Bema. Modern one can say, oh, back at Kono and 2 years in it. Seasons in them 5. And when you deal, catch Uncle Fono, Yaka Kraka Bia. Because Uncle Fono already saw Mama Saka personal money of almost $100,000.
Wow.
Second Koji $50,000. 15 on met me a cocofi tompo. No man sir on cross as him and go free to be tongue. Yabejibi, woman to man tongue yahe. Sika Kotko, and the first Saka Dauda. Every buffer quarter of the penny. A new $50,000. Why business?
Nice one.
Don't so morphine no all turn up a bread because numbers not about last season in here.
Yeah.
Them Donzo may aware of deals I will Donzo. And Chamnan got your compensation some from Donzo be there be a crap pre nu dear. Yakazi prenu a caprenu de monas are. Enti one more and Shahon.
Nice one.
Francis Aquadian and your player Nasa. But coach no ever share sporting director tena se yɛ biribiara no Patrick Asie du bɔɔl no ɔde ma Kotoko no ɛne Joseph Amua deputize no also quality player in Francis Akwa no te bench ɔte hɔ kwa
Okay.
ukɔ bɛkyɛm afa no yɛ a bit fa no ɛka ho because bɛkyɛm for your legend ukɔ bɛkyɛm na busapa mbɛ de na season captain eti fa Francis Akwa kɔ o de Francis Akwa ekoduru bɛkyɛm a ɔka kyerɛ mo sɛ eti yɛ ba bɛpɛ Kofi Tompuo momma yɛ boɔ mfa nsɔ so ne yɛhwɛ deɛ yɛbɛtumi ayɛ na ne ɔmakɔdi saa nkɔmmɔ no ɛntwam ma ne nkɔkwa
Nice one.
abɛtam a ne deɛ abusuapanyi wɔka wo mu a ɔno ɔbɛbɔɔ loan less than 6 months aso ɔkɔ no baabi Emmanuel ntwikyee baafoɔ Kwame Poku no mu no wɔmo mebɛn wɔmo nti a mempɛ sɛ mɛka no bebrebe ɛsɛ wobɛka sɛ nti ɔmo memma ɔmo di nka ho mfa ho donzo deɛ obiara nim sɛ menim ne baabia obiara nim sɛ Dauda Saka menim ne baabia wɔfa Johnson club bi de approach bi abrɛ Asante Kotoko wɔmo nkyɛke
Okay.
ɔmo sɛ ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo fa no bata ɔmo ntua kaprɛ ma Kotoko na ebi anya ne sɛ ɔmo ka nkyɛm sɛ ei na contract without consideration deɛ sɛ nyɛ valid contract to ɔmo ne ɔmo nka Johnson ba wɔgye sika o sɛ $20,000-$30,000 bi na nkɔfo no bɛnya 50 bi na ɔmo bɛnya abusuapanyi Kotoko nsom na ɔmo ɔfa Johnson kɔ but 15 players are ɛyɛ likely sɛ Kotoko ɛne ɔmo ntoa so next season ɛna mede